YouTube, what's up? Check this out. Okay, so this is a cool little thing that you could do for 4th of July, all right? Okay, blueberry Jello hot water. I know y'all like, where the girls? Why aren't you in the video? Okay, just trust me on this. Just sit with this. They coming back. We're just doing stuff right now, okay? Get you through this. Strawberry Jello hot water, okay? And then you need gelatin and hot water, okay? We can turn this one white. Gelatin's not gonna make it white. You need to add one more thing in after you set a gelatin in. That's right, sweetened condensed milk. And that's how you get whites usually when you're doing Jello, all right? I'm sure there's other ways, but this is the way we do it here at Tipsy Bartender, all right? Now, after that cool down a little bit, you add in your little vodka, okay, to that one. Then you add in some more vodka to the blue one, and then you add in some vodka to the red one, okay? Beautiful, easy, nice little cheap vodka, nothing fancy. Fill your little glasses, and see, here's the thing with this, guys. You can make this flag as big as you want, all right? So you can make a super giant flag. It's totally fun, it's delicious, it's easy. Stay tipsy, my brothers and sisters. Happy 4th.